Hey guys, it's Ali here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to design something and the easiest designing thing I know. So it's called Canva. So it's really fun. It's really good to design with. So say you had a YouTube channel like mine and you needed to make a YouTube channel logo. You search YouTube icon and you can see a ton of templates that are made by some. You can make your own also, but you can see templates made by people, and if it has like a crown right here, that means you need Pro. You need Pro to have it. So if it has a little crown by here, you can't use it unless you buy Pro. So say I like say I like this one. Like this would be a nice YouTube logo. So you click on it. You don't exactly need a computer for this, but I'd recommend a computer for Canva. So, and then you can click customize this template. And then you can see the template. So you can I don't know what's happening, but you can design it. So you can delete. And you can put introduce. You can put this is, and then you can make your own. So once you make your channel name, you can make it's, for me it's it's Ali. Well, it's so yeah, you can, and also you can make in there things from like this one. You can pick any of these. If you like this one, which I like this one, yes, and then just click add as new page, and then you can edit this, add stuff just and then you can basically design it however you want. You can design it. You can design it like this, which is really pretty. And then you can add more stuff. You can add text to it. You can add elements. And you can add all that stuff. You can add this moon. Not moon. On this planet. You can add that, and you can recolor it by doing this. You can see recently used colors, and you can color that. Or my favorite is color. It's so dark, so you can actually. And it's really just a really good thing to use. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed, like and subscribe.